Welcome to the open house at 2 Manley Road, Hopewell Township, Smith Crossing at Brandon Farms. This 4-bedroom Concord model is on an oversized lot with a manicured yard, a 2-car garage with interior access, and within walking distance to shopping. Close to restaurants, the kids can walk right across the street to Stony Brook Elementary School, K-5. Enjoy the rear yard with sculpted paver brick patio, built-in fire pit, and a natural evergreen border. Come on inside and let's have a look at the interior of this beautiful home. This home features a 2-story foyer with 9-foot ceilings throughout the first floor and a wood-tone flooring throughout most of the first level. The formal living room adjoins the dining room, both with chair rail moldings, decorative rods, and neutral drapery. Along with toned walls, it also features convenient kitchen access. The gourmet design and renovated Eden kitchen boasts ceramic tile flooring, cream-toned 42-inch upper cabinets topped with accented display cabinets, lower cabinets with quiet close feature, pull-out shelving, iron-tone hardware, and granite counters with undermount sink. Along with ceramic tile backsplash, recessed lighting, and all the Frigidaire stainless appliances including a self-cleaning range, built-in microwave, dishwasher, and a French door refrigerator with freezer drawer and ice maker. The kitchen includes a breakfast peninsula with pendant lighting and adjoins the family room. The family room features relaxing wall tones, access to a large storage closet, and a French door to the rear yard. There is a first-floor laundry room complete with washer, gas dryer, and convenient garage access. The powder room and coat closet are off the main hallway and complete this level. The second level features the master bedroom with double closets, 1 sliding door closet, and 1 walk-in with attic access and a private bath. The master bath features a large soaking tub, shower stall, white vanity with one-piece counter, and double sinks. There are 3 additional bedrooms with ample closet storage and the main bath with vanity and one-piece countersink and tub and shower. We hope you've enjoyed this virtual open house. All of our contact information is in the description of this tour.